All right, we got a Hyundai Santa Fe. This is a V6 3.3, I believe. Let's do a quick replacement on the air filter on this. All right, so you can see we get the hood pop already. This is the air box right here. So we're gonna have to move some couple things before we open this up. Basically, pretty easy right there. There's 2 tabs that you need to slide it out, and then we're just gonna pull this air filter out just like that. Like that. And there's some dirt and bugs in here. Look at those. Good thing we're going to be changing this now. So this is how it goes. Lift it up, slide it in. Pretty easy. Close the door. And then the top lid will close as well. There you go. Done. Santa Fe V6. That's how you change the air filter.